So here's where I'm at. I am cleaning out the 56 black oval. And you know what they say, don't throw anything away. Well, there's a few things in here, you know, we're not gonna need. I mean, this is cool. Josh found one of these earlier. He loves it. That's one thing I don't recommend you leave in your car. Battery acid. Yeah, it's got some in it. So that might explain that hole. Yeah, that's a hole right there. So don't leave a container of open battery acid in your car. Anyway, here's where we're at. So parcel shelf is solid. That's gone. This channel's gone. Can't tell on the Napoleon's hat. Yeah, Napoleon's hat looks good. Firewall is gone and, well, not gone, but hacked on that side too. So he said he put pans in this thing, and obviously that left side channel, it's got the key in it. For those of you at home that are wondering, here's a little update. My Fuchs are fake, as I figured they were. You can see just some of the castings. Looks like somebody might have had a heater, one of those gas heaters in here. A couple more holes. Does have the body tag. How about that, Dub Works? You proud of me? I brought home a car with a body tag. I actually checked. So, I wish it still had this original panel, but you know, it doesn't. So what do you think? Apron's pretty crispy. W deck lid's in good shape. What do you think? Is this the one to put on a dolly? Yeah, it's December, mid-December here, and there's my garage. So this is where we'll be working. Well, what do you think? What do you guys think? Which car should I put on the body dolly? I'm digging this car. It's probably way over my head work-wise, but... So before you take on a project like this, I recommend you ask yourself the following questions. Have you ever restored a car before? No. Okay. Have you ever welded a body panel before? No. Okay. Do you have any experience at all whatsoever when it comes to restoring a vehicle? No. Yeah. Do you have a workspace to restore this vehicle in? Not really. Right here? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I would say you might want to rethink this project. But what do you guys think? I'm ready to go for it. Ask me how I feel January 15th when it's 8 out here. But yeah, no welding experience. Never restored a car. What are you gonna do? You gotta go for it. So that's what I'm doing. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Guys, why are you watching? You should not be watching this. This is not good. This is not what you want to do. But if you're impatient and you can't wait for your neighbor to get home, this is what you do. Don't do this at home. Well, there it is. Mission completed. I avoided near disaster, as you probably would have guessed by watching my methods of madness. I recommend having an ATC to rest the front end on. I recommend more than one jack. And I recommend you wait until your neighbors come home from work before you try to do this. But hey, there's no time like right here, right now.